Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 850 Menlo up in the Moonridge area of Big Bear Lake. Great views on this one, vacation rental. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 850 Menlo. Newer construction, this one is 2001. Currently used as a vacation rental, but like check out this sneak peek of the ski slopes right there. So property lines gonna go down kind of right along that tree line, likely. Nice oak tree. And then what's nice about this, this is a stamped concrete patio, or kind of not patio, but stamped concrete driveway. Do have some work that could be done on it because it's chipping up, probably from people banging on it with a metal shovel in the winter time. So property line over here is going to be likely that post right there going all the way down. But check out the beautiful rock work here on the house. The exterior seems like it's in pretty good shape. Like these all seem pretty healthy. That is really pretty and up to date. Garage door in great shape. Got like a little bit of, not even dry rot, but it's, that might be some dry rot down there, but this seems like you're gonna get some wear and tear just from like the snow sitting on it. But I mean, the wood is in great shape and the roof is in great shape too. It seems like it's the second roof, at least from what I can tell down here, but I do not know for sure. That's cute. Okay, so covered entry. Going in, we've got some tile on the outside. And this one is a vacation rental, rented with Big Bear Vacations, 12 people and 4 cars. So 3,000 square foot. They've done 10. Yeah, so 2 people per bedroom plus 2. So we're coming down this hallway right when we enter, and we've got a bedroom bathroom over here, but for the sake of the tour, I'm just gonna take you in here really quick, knock this part out because it's only so much fun. It's a garage. So for rentals, I mean, they kind of have a good game room area space here, but you could do something out here. But you kind of might need this for parking is the other part, like 2 cars in here and 2 cars behind. You probably would not want to park on the street up here just because it's windy road up here. So here we have bedroom 1, carpet's in good shape, especially for being a rental. Really nice king bed, I would say. It's got these like Craftsman dual pane windows. Really nice furniture inside too, like beautiful bed, end tables. We've got closet. And then we've got this laminate hardwood floor here. So coming into the first bathroom is this, they would call it a full bath because you do have a shower but not a tub. So nice, kind of interesting counter height that's up to my hip. So pretty high. Cabinets have had a little water damage to it, but nothing that's, awful. And then tile. And then we've got the shower. Kind of a little decor. Nice. So this one is going to be 2,959 square foot. Coat closet. Okay, so we've seen 1 bed, 1 bath. So on this main level, you've got the 1 bed, 1 bath, and then you've got the living room, dining room, kitchen. And it all opens up to each other. So these are really cute little pendant lights. Nice live edge countertop. And this is just a runner. It's not carpeted along that way. So nice cabinets. Do slide out. Dual oven. And that's a Viking oven. It's a pretty high-end oven. This is black granite. This is interesting. Kind of got like a hidden dishwasher. They put the panel on it, which is nice. I'm not entirely sure what this is for, filter, but that somehow does something with this too. But here we are standing kind of back in the kitchen, looking at you can go outside from here, living room, loft, and then downstairs is going to be the remainder of the bedrooms. It's decorated with a lot of leaves, you know. These leaves on the chandelier right there too. That baby milk's probably not any good. We do have our wine fridge. Junk drawer. Little central heating, which should be obvious because this size of a house would not have wall heaters. You get some sun back here, that's for sure. So you're standing right here at Geronimo at Bear Mountain, and then you got a little ski slope view right here of Snow Summit. Then down below, this is Trex decking, and I believe that they've updated this because I think it probably had those spindles like these, but then they took it off, put these on there just to make it a little bit stronger. There's a small chance that you could have a lake view out there, but it's kind of hazy and it's pretty far away, so no guarantees, but I think there could be an I Spy and see one. Man, I'm not entirely sure how they got that up here. You've got a tree there, tree there, tree there. They probably didn't walk it up here. Maybe they came in from below and hoisted it. Okay, so here we are, dining room. You've got 5 countertop seatings right here. In the living room. It's kind of tinted in here, which is really nice. It's not too bright. It's also not too hot in here either, but beautiful, beautiful views. I like how these hold up. I mean, they're probably not structural, probably more decorative, but you never know. Built-in TV area and bookshelf, as well as a fireplace, stone fireplace, floor to ceiling. And this one, it has a gas starter, so it would be very easy to start a fire right here. And then just like a little study area right here, which is kind of fun. And we're gonna go downstairs first. There's another leaf. So we're just gonna follow the order. So we'll stay right. So this is the master. Probably could get some furniture out of here. I mean, it's got a really great warm feeling in here. Look at that bed. Beautiful. And this appears to be a king bed, but I don't know that you need all of this. In fact, I would probably get rid of that and put a TV on the wall. If I remember correctly, we might have a closet in here already. Oh, well, there's the TV. So, I don't know. It's just so much. And there is a closet, so no, you do not need it. Okay, so bathroom. Full bath. This is the master bathroom we're looking at. Carpet in here, but they do have, like this out here. You've got tile. They did a good job with this. It's kind of like waxed a little bit. And a nice clean tub. Very private, but you got really nice like tree limb views. Again, kind of high countertop, but really pretty. You got dual sinks. And then this is going to just be the toilet room. And here is our walk-in closet. So really great space. And then if we wanted to, we could walk out here and you can go upstairs from here. Or down and then back up, or down and then down. So in some areas we have Trex decking, in some areas we have wood decking. Probably the Trex is going to be better to have up top, because you don't want the snow sitting on this for too long. And so the hot tub is right up above here. I imagine these beams are hardy enough to hold that. All of this looks good for holding the weight of it. Okay, so we have seen 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Then we're gonna go right on over to bedroom number 3. And this one is 2 twin beds. You could easily get 2 queen beds in here if you wanted to. It's a really pretty deep bedroom. Very cute. And closet. And we will go to, we're just going to keep staying right. So transitioning from carpet over to hardwood floors. We've got this 3rd bathroom. Tile again. And this is a tile shower too, with a cast iron tub. So now I've seen 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I almost lose count. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So that's a king bed also. Really cute how it's like logs. Five bedrooms. Kind of the kids' room. And you can sleep 6 people in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, transitioning from carpet back to flooring. We've got the laundry room. Cute. Label. And then this is tile, white tile with some green tile accents. I really like this. It's not like very rigid. It's like rounded a bit. So we've seen 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then this is the game area. So you could, if you wanted to, get more beds down here if you needed, or a full regulation size pool table would be pretty cool. Maybe a couch with a TV. Definitely a lot more you can do with this than what is currently being done. Like, this is very sad. And then we're gonna go upstairs next to see the loft. Definitely feel a difference in like the heat. So when we came from the downstairs to this upstairs right here, it got a little warmer. Like maybe it's just cooler down below. Great open wood stairs. That is cool. Again, I don't know how they got that in here. Doesn't appear like it comes apart. So this right here, Geronimo, is exactly what that view I was looking at. All right, that's the tour. Bye.